Well, it wasn't really the lobola negotiations I expected without Tsitsi, but then it did happen, so we'll put it like that. Ladies and gentlemen, Hlathi finally paid lobola for Thumeka, and I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to it, I would like to request you to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. After some drama between the Bigich and the Mabandla family, the lobola negotiations were successful and Thumeka is now Mrs. Mabandla like she always wanted. And as you all guys know, anything and everything must be dramatic within him. So the negotiations didn't disappoint as well. It started with Lukhanyo refusing to take lobola. Magaba had to intervene. She came, spoke to Lukhanyo, and that one passed. Now, I don't know whether it was necessary or what, but Thumeka asked Zweleka to be her bridesmaid. NgesiZulu thina sithi umkhabi, so I don't know what you call it in English, which I found funny. Imagine being umkhabi kasisi wakho eyoshada ex-husband wakho. This is, I don't know. And nalapho futhi if you think that was dramatic, wait, a lot is still coming. The funny part was at this scene when Thulani needed to choose their bride, so he stood up, went to them, and to his surprise, he chose Zweleka. And now look at his reaction after that. He would swear that he has seen a ghost. I really laughed at this scene, I must say. But then a part of me is happy that Thumeka finally got what she always wanted. I'm just worried and concerned if Hlathi is going to keep his promise and not break Thumeka's heart again. So what you guys are seeing on your screen right now are clips of Mr. and Mrs. Mabandla enjoying their big day. And they are very much happy, as we can see. But as much as everyone is happy, I think there's a family member missing here. Guys, where is Nsigi? Why didn't she come? I've always wanted to see how she was going to react, since now it's Thumeka who's getting married and not Zweleka. I hope she'll come at the wedding, if there's going to be wedding. So do comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.